side. Your name is?
Miguel Gray.
Huh? Miguel Gray, you're so cute, Miguel Gray. How young are you?
4 years old.
Only 4 years old? Do you understand Filipino?
Yes.
Very good! Tamang-tama ka dyan. Tumbak! Okay, sige. Maraming salamat, Mommy and Daddy. Iba talaga. Super na-appreciate yan ang host kapag ganyan. Eto yung mga klase ng bata na parang kapag kinabit mo, halika po tayo sa mall, sasama din siya, no? Tingnan niyo, oh. Okay. Would you like to, tingnan mo naman, no? That little hand, okay? Sige. Hala. Okay, let's try it. In 3, 2, are you excited? Okay, you're so excited. Sige. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Nina! Happy birthday, Nina!
Okay na. Are you okay? Do you need a hug? Yes, hug ka muna. Parang kanina, naubusan siya ng hiniga. Sabi niya, parang siya, Diyos ko, grabe yun ha. Alam niyo ba kung ilan yung record niya? 56 seconds! Grabe! Itong bata, he's built different po, no? Ibang klase, parang may hot air balloon sa loob ng tiyan. Sige, congratulations. And because of that, meron pa po bang gusto na mag-challenge? Meron pa? Any more? If not, dalawa po yung winners natin.